Alright, so here's some practice problems that you guys will be completing on your own. Okay, do your best. I provided some help in these boxes since it is our first day on order of operations, and I want to make sure that you understand the process. So please use this as a resource as well. I'm not always going to do this, but since it is the first day, I am doing it for you. Okay, so you're going to be simplifying or evaluating. That can be another word. Simplify is another word for evaluate. Order of operation problems. Again, here's your check marks to put over your PEMDAS. Here's your reference notebook that you can click on, and this will take you to your notebook. And then also the video that I'm doing right now, it will be up here that you can click on to hear it and to hear some helpful hints to help you through these problems. Okay, so the first problem is 18 divided by 2 times 3 minus 6. Right, so the dotted boxes are text boxes, so you're going to double click on the dotted boxes, and you're going to type in what you think 18 divided by 2 is. So if you think it's 3, you'll type 3. If you think it's 9, you'll type 9. If you think it's 5, you'll type 5, and so forth. Whatever you think the answer is, put in that dotted box. Once your answer is in that dotted box, you will then go to your next dotted box and follow the steps with the arrows going down. Notice it looks like a pizza slice. Okay, so the next problem, 7 times 5 minus 12 and 13/100ths. Okay, according to PEMDAS, we have multiplication and subtraction, and multiplication comes before subtraction. So we have to do our multiplication. So we'll go into our tiny box here. Whatever 7 times 5 is, we'll put it there. Then we only have subtraction. So that means we will do our answer from here, minus 12 and 13/100ths. And that will be your answer. Okay, let's actually do the last one together so we can feel an understanding of what we need to do. Okay, so we have 15 plus 5 times 8. So we don't have any parentheses, looking at our original problem up here. We don't have any exponents. We have multiplication. Do we have division? No, we only have addition and multiplication. So we're going to do our multiplication first. So 5 times 8, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So we get 40. And then we have 15 plus 40. Since we only have addition, and I forgot to put my checks over them, but you're going to remember to do that. You put your check marks over the ones that we've done, so you know they're done. And then I'll put the check off to the side because we're doing the addition right now because that's all we have left. So we have to do 15 plus 45, which is 55. So let me center this for us so it's in 55. Okay, so that's how you would do it. And then I would put my check over my addition because I did it and I completed it. Okay, so please use this as a resource. It will help you out, I promise. If you still are struggling with order of operation, contact me and I will help you. Okay?